am Anna and I am going to be showing you my 5 most favorite, most worn outfits for the gym.
Okay.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
So that was it for today's video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe since you're already here, and let me know what you want to see next. See you on the next one. Bye! Let me show you guys my audience real quick. Cutest thing in the world right here. Oh my gosh, you got a little baby. Hi. Oh yeah, his name's Simba. Let me know if you want videos with Simba.